Pakistan tries Muslim unity card to halt Indian outreach in Malaysia, faces Snub reports Pakistan Kashmir card. Pakistan urged Malaysian officials to cancel all Operation Sindoor outreach programs by Indian delegations, citing Islamic solidarity. The demand, however, was rejected by Kuala Lumpur, NDTV reported. Another report with India Today claimed, Pakistan, in its request, cited the Kashmir matter at the United Nations to back its call for cancellation of the delegation's meetings. We are an Islamic country, you are an Islamic country, don't listen to the Indian delegation, cancel all their programs in Malaysia, the Pakistani embassy told officials of the Malaysian government, the report claimed. However, despite Pakistan's attempt to derail the Indian delegation's visit, Malaysia on Tuesday reaffirmed its commitment to peace. The country also thanked the Indian all-party parliamentary delegation for the briefing on New Delhi's approach to combating terrorism. Also read Bilawal Bhutto's rant on Indian Muslims backfires, reporter cites OP Sindoor unity briefing. Malaysia, days after the Pahalgam terror attack, had backed Pakistan for an international and independent investigation into the incident. Around the same time, Malaysian Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim also held a telephonic conversation with Pakistan's Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, communicating that Malaysia supports an independent and transparent investigation to identify those responsible for the Pahalgam terror attack. During the call, Sharif categorically rejected any effort to link his country to the Pahalgam terror attack. Indian delegation in Malaysia. The delegation, led by JDU MP Sanjay Kumar Jha, met with Speaker of the House of Representatives, Parliament of Malaysia Dewan Rakyat, YB Tan Sri Dato Dr. Johari bin Abdul, and briefed on India's unwavering policy of zero tolerance towards terrorism, and sought cooperation of Malaysian parliamentarians in the collective fight against terrorism. The Speaker reaffirmed Malaysia's commitment to peace and thanked the delegation for the briefing on India's approach in dealing with terrorism at large. The delegation also met the Parliamentary Special Committee on International Relations and International Trade, chaired by YB Wong Chen, Member of Parliament and Chairman of the Parliamentary Special Committee on International Relations and International Trade, and briefed about the heinous terrorist attack in Pahalgam and highlighted India's zero-tolerance policy towards terrorism. The delegation to Malaysia is one of the 7 multi-party delegations India has tasked to visit 33 global capitals to reach out to the international community to emphasize Pakistan's links to terrorism. Also read differ politically, but not on terror. Kanamazai says world lauded India's cross-party unity. Tensions between India and Pakistan escalated after the Pahalgam terror attack, which claimed 26 lives. In response, India launched Operation Sindoor on terror infrastructures in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir Pak in the early hours of May 7, following which Pakistan attempted to attack Indian military bases on May 8, 9, and 10. Swipe left for next video. The Indian side responded strongly to the Pakistani actions. The on-ground hostilities ended with an understanding of stopping the military actions following talks between the Directors General of Military Operations of both sides on May 10. Latest blogs.